What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Amazon stock or shares. So it's been a while since I made a video on this channel. It's been over a month. I'm so sorry about that. I'm back, and what happened won't repeat itself again. So back to where we currently are right now. We could see it right here that from the last time I made a video on Amazon, I made it known to us that we had a breakout above this major resistance right here at $254, and I made it known to us that if we are able to find support around here, we could rally much higher. And we found support, but we did not majorly find a confirmation candle. We kind of had a major retest, but the retest was not well retested. So I guess the reason for this move right here. So from the weekly time frame, you could see it clearly, and I'll be explaining to us what the market is currently talking about, what Amazon is currently telling us right here in terms of the chart. So you could see it right here that we have a major uptrend right here that has been playing out for Amazon for the longest right here. You could see it clearly. I think if I change this to yellow, maybe yellow might be visible. You could see we have definitely been retesting this level so many times. You could see whenever we come in contact with this level, we tend to retest. We come in contact with also the 100 and 200 EMA, which has also been acting as a very major support for us. Now we've retested this trend line. We recovered, rallied all the way into this resistance, retested this trend line. We retested the trend line. Right now, we broke out. We had a fake out. Right now, we have retested this major resistance at $255. So I think it's only best we will drop all the way down to this major level at $209. I guess that is where we are probably going to be dropping all the way to this level at $213 to probably, $213.14 is where we are definitely expecting Amazon to drop to. So the what I can say right now is Amazon is supposed I'm expecting Amazon to find support around here at $214. If Amazon can't find support around $214, I would say we're most likely going to retest this level, the resistance which was supposed to be acting as support. Right now, we'll retest it and we'll drop all the way down to 189. And this is obviously where the 200 EMA could 200 weekly EMA could currently be meeting it in the future, or could probably be meeting it in the future around this level at $200. And if it breaks below the 200 EMA, we could probably see it dropping all the way to probably $150 for an Amazon share. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind right now when we are dealing with Amazon share right now. So if I take this probably 1 pixel, you could see it clearly right here. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind right now. So we need to drop all the way down to 214. If we break below it, we'll have to retest and drop all the way down to $189. So we need to just have these major levels in mind right here for Amazon, because obviously if you take a good look at the situation of the market right now, it's not looking all that great. Because if I take a majority of this away from here and then I move to the daily time frame, you could see that this major level has been acting as a major support for and trend line for what's it called, for the S&P 500 for the longest. And you could see we have broken below this level and we have dumped even much lower right here. So obviously right now you could see it clearly that this is definitely a major resistance right here for the S&P 500. And you could see we have consolidated within this range. You could see we've consolidated within this range for the longest, and we are just breaking below this major level retested. We're most likely going to be dropping all the way down to $7,177 if we are not careful, especially given the fact that this candle right here is more like a confirmation candle for the S&P 500. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting, because if this is majorly playing out, then we should probably expect the S&P 500 to, pull back more. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from Amazon. And we could see right here in terms of the news that Amazon, why Amazon stock is down today, according to Yahoo Finance. From Guru Focus, we could see Amazon shares fell about 4% on Thursday, which is today as of the time I'm recording this video, as investors weighed growing concern over AI spending and a US Senate investigation into the company's marketplace operations ahead of its second quarter earnings report. So Amazon came under pressure after Alphabet's increased capital expenditure outlook fueled broader concerns about returns of AI infrastructure investment. The decline also followed reports that the Senate Small Business Committee is investigating allegations involving Chinese influence on Amazon's online marketplace. A Bloomberg reported the committee cited evidence of potential negligence, although the allegations remain under investigation and Amazon declined to comment. Separately, CNBC reported Amazon is reducing jobs within its artificial general intelligence unit as part of a reorganization focused on higher priority projects. Despite the pullback, Bank of America maintained its buy rating at $310 price target on Amazon, citing expectations for continued AWS momentum and forecasting second quarter revenue of about $198.8 billion. The company is scheduled to report earnings on July 30th, with investors expected to focus on cloud growth, AI-related capital spending, and management outlook. So, all this is definitely the reason why a lot of people are kind of, aping out of major stocks, especially top tech stocks right now, because of the whole overspending people assume, or people are saying that, there's a lot of overspending with these companies in terms of spending on AI, whereby China or the Chinese companies are spending less and achieving more or equal to the products that these American companies are, producing, or the resources and all whatnot that they are putting into producing these AI models or AI agents. So I think that is just majorly it right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.